Now let's talk about cyclical stocks. These are companies whose revenues move in tandem with the broader economy. When people feel good about spending during expansion, cyclicals often thrive. But during recessions, their earnings can take a serious hit. The upside of cyclical stocks is that they have strong returns during expansions. When the economy grows, cyclical industries see rapid growth in revenue and profits. They're also higher beta. In bull markets, cyclical stocks rise faster than the broader market, rewarding investors who time the cycle correctly. Cyclicals are also an opportunity for sector rotation. Investors can potentially rotate into cyclicals at the early stages of an economic recovery to capture these gains. For example, Ford and General Motors typically see strong car sales in a booming economy, but those sales drop when consumer confidence is low. Similarly, airlines like Delta or American Airlines saw massive declines in demand during the 2008 recession and again during the 2020 pandemic. Following the financial crisis bailouts, Ford managed to turn around. As the U.S. economy recovered, car sales rebounded and Ford stock rose substantially, illustrating how sensitive cyclical stocks are to economic conditions. So let's talk about the upside and the downside. Cyclical stocks can soar when the economy is growing, but fall sharply in downturns. They're favored in early economic recoveries when a lot of upside might still be on the table. Downside risk. Cyclicals have earnings volatility. Cyclical companies often experience sharp revenue drops. Profits can fluctuate dramatically within the business cycle, making forecasting pretty difficult. Carnival Cruise, a hotel, cruise, and resort company, relies heavily on spending from disposable income. It is very sensitive to consumer optimism. When consumer confidence drops, the stock drops dramatically, and vice versa. Cyclical stocks are suitable for investors who can time the market and are willing to take on higher risk for potentially higher returns during economic booms.